Unilock is in the business of firsts. Did you know we introduced the first paving stone and the first permeable paver to North America? We changed the game with the first paver factory sealed with EasyClean. And we took hardscaping to new heights with the revolutionary 𝐬𝐨𝐸. That's a lot of firsts. But what does this mean to you? The concrete industry is changing fast. It turns out cement, one of the key ingredients in making pavers, is contributing to 7% of the world's total carbon emissions. But the world has a plan to cut carbon emissions. So, how can we help? Introducing EcoTerra, the first product with 100% cement-free face mix layer. Zero cement means zero efflorescence, resulting in more vibrant color that lasts even longer. All this in a product that reduces carbon emissions by up to 15%. EcoTerra by Unilock, paving a greener way.